That moment when you drop the cam chain down the crankcase and you think the world has ended. Alright, so I took the head off for the XL175, and just looking at some of the stuff, this is the gasket. You can see where the chain, it was so sloppy that it was rubbing against the gasket and even messed that up. You can see like it pushed it up there and kept pushing this part down. And this is the cam chain guide. It looks pretty worn. And it was actually rubbing against the metal there. That's not very good for it at all. And the actual tensioner, which is supposed to, tension it, as the name suggests. It's also very worn. You can see it was rubbing on metal right there. And a little bit right there, too. Really bad. And here's the new ones I got. They have a little bit of wear, but it's fine. There's no metal showing. It's a lot better. I mean, it's only a very small amount of wear compared to the other ones. So I'm going to be installing those. That moment when you drop the cam chain down the crankcase and you think the world has ended. I got it out with some wire though. Just made a hook out of it. Thank goodness. Could have died there. So I got the cylinder head gasket on and the guide and the tensioner on. I hope it's in the right spot. I think it is. I'm going to try and change the cam chain with the sneaky redneck method. I think you've heard of before. So just don't want it to fall in again, so tie that off. So I got it in the chain breaker, just gotta break it now. Oh, just wait. Just wait. Well, now she's broken. Good thing I have the wire on. She probably would have fallen in again. This may be hard to see, but I took the old chain, which is right here, and I used the wire to put it through where the pin should go to connect the old chain to the new chain. Right here you can see the wire. Ooh, success! You can see the wire came here. The wire's right there. So it went all the way through. That's good. So now, hopefully if I don't drop it again, then everything else should go pretty smoothly. So I'm planning to connect the new chain with this rivet link I have. It's the same size. I think the whole chain is a 219T. So I just found a matching link for the same type of chain. So then with my chain breaker that I used to break it, it's in this case, it's supposed to be able to rivet chains too back together, so I can just rivet that and it'll be brand new. So I got the head on with no problem, and I can already tell the chain is way better. With the new chain, it's way tighter because the old one stretched out a lot. I didn't even adjust the cam chain tensioner. It's already way tighter than it was before. So that seems pretty good. The head went on pretty good. Didn't lose anything. Didn't drop the chain, which was good. Riveted the master link, the rivet link. And I got it all timed up already. Probably can't see it, but there's a mark in there that has the T for top dead center. Here's the other mark. So it's lined up. So then if we look at where the top sprocket is, this bolt's supposed to be straight up, which it is. Actually, I want to see how tight it is after I do the cam chain tensioner adjustment. Can't really even see that, but right behind this, you can see there is a nut right here. That's the tensioner. It's weird because it's an older bike, Most of them are like up here on the newer ones, and yeah, it's a lot easier to use, but whatever. So that's the tensioner bolt I was talking about before. So you take a 12 millimeter wrench, just stick it on there, loosen it up a bit. This is only the locking nut, so it doesn't have to. And then you take a 10 millimeter, and then you keep turning until you hear it click, hopefully. I think that was a click already. So I'll tighten that back up and we'll check out the chain. Oh, there's like, it's really good. It's really good. There's like almost no play at all. And, oh yeah, that's perfect. You can tell it's just perfect. Oh yeah. That'll run a lot quieter now without that rattle. Oh yeah.